This next force is called the 10 to 20 force. You have a mixed up deck of cards, and you ask the spectator to name a number between 10 and 20. Let's say they named 15. You count down 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now you add the two digits of the number 15 together. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And count down 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that's the force card. 6 of hearts, 6 of hearts. Now this force is really easy to do as long as you know the 10th card from the top. Now you can spread the cards out, show them mixed up, and you can nonchalantly remember whatever card is in the 10th position, and that could be your force card for another trick, just so you know what card the spectator selects, or you can preset the deck with a certain card 10th from the bottom. So I'm just gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards, and then my force card will be number 10. In this case, the 6 of hearts goes down, so the 6 of hearts is 10th from the top. Now, this force works with any number between 10 and 20, and it's just mathematics. It works 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Does not work with the numbers 10, does not work with the number 20. So if they pick any number between 10 and 20, let's say they'll pick 16 this time. You count down 16 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then you pick these cards back up, put them on top of the deck, and then add the digits together. In this case, for 16, you add 6 plus 1, so it's 7. Count down 7 cards, and that'll be your force card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's your force card. Works every time as long as your force card's 10th from the top, and that's the 10 to 20 force.